by 391. But it's better to get it done right first time. So I haven't marked it up 5mm. We want the prick. Just feel your way. That's absolutely fine. It's not 100% necessary. I'm not on this angles even if you cast forward as normal. Because we're stitching at a 45-degree angle rather than 90 degrees straight in, you can use just so it's facing up, use a ruler case. So it's not essential that you do this. And once it's dry, if you notice that there's a little bit of play there with the relief for the mechanism itself. Hinge is an 8mm by 8mm. If you don't, it will bind at the top or the bottom here. Open it up.